Urhobo Wado, Nigeria Major Wado. Urhobo Feyo no Urhobo is worth learning. We have 7 vowels in Urhobo language. And I'm going to dissect how we pronounce some word in Urhobo language and the functions of some component of those words. So, in order for you to understand Urhobo pronunciation, you'll come across something like vowel, consonant clusters, and agbaiba, which is 2 consonants. So we have something like e, ka, pa, mre. So the e, ka, pa, mre, e, you see the e, ka, pa, mre there, it's actually a 4-syllable word. E, ka, pa, mre. So a is a vowel, ka is a 2-letter word, ibie, bie, tarive. E, ka, pa is a consonant cluster. We have something like pa, be, po, po. We have the consonant cluster. We also have bag, big, bo, bo. But in this word, in this property of this word that we are trying to dissect here, is pa, which is pa, be, bo, po. E, ka, pa. That's 3 syllables. Mre. Mre is another consonant clusters. We have mra, mre, mro. E, ka, pa, mre. So actually, that is the name of a town. So the sentence means I'm from Ekakpamre. But Urhobo Feyo no Urhobo is what learn. Why should Urhobo Kimo speak Urhobo language to your children? It's your responsibility. Remember, you are not English people. And know this: no Englishman will speak their own. No Englishman will speak any African language to their own children in their matrimonial home. So Urhobo Feyo no Mamonio from Wagagai. Why should Urhobo Kimo speak Urhobo language to your children? Wado.